Clearing my driveway recently, I noticed that the snowblower was pushing a lot of the snow around, wasn't throwing it that well. So I had to look around the front, and this side of the auger was spinning, but this side wasn't. So I did a little bit of research, and I found out that these here shear bolts that you can see on that side are what help make these augers spin. And the one on the right side here broke off. They're designed to break off on purpose if in case your snow thrower hits a rock or some really thick ice. It prevents the blades from breaking. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace this shear bolt and get her going. I went to my local hardware store and I picked up these shear bolts here. They're not for this specific snowblower, but they are the exact same size. So I'm going to use these and start the replacement. There you have it, new shear bolt installed right there. Let's start her up and see if she spins. Perfect.